Let me read this poem. Two stanzas I am going to read. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mound of cooling brown and white. Okay, children, now you have to answer me that in which city do you live? Can you tell me in which city do you live? Yes, you live in Ranjangaon. Correct answer. Now you have to imagine, children, that there is summer season in your city. There is summer season. Okay. So in summer season, what happened? Do you know? Everything gets heated up. In summer season, what happened? Everything gets heated up. Everything gets heated up. Then what happened? What happened? Can you tell me? One more thing happened. We perspire. Do you know the meaning of perspire? Perspire means पसीने पसीने हो जाते हैं, which I really don't like it. Okay. Everything becomes hot if we touch. Am I right? Everything becomes hot if we touch. Building, bricks, everything. Okay, and it's become like fire. Okay, and it's blaze means, do you know, burning fire. So in summer season it happened. Now another thing happened in that. In this summer season, one man comes in the street, and tell me who that man is? The ice cream man. Who comes in the street? The ice cream man with his little cart. With his little cart. He comes. See his little cart. This ice cream man comes with his little cart. Clear? Goes trundling down the street. Trundling. Trundling means, see, wheels are there in his cart. So see this wheel. So with his wheels he just take around the street. Okay, just because of its wheel, so it's make a sound. Okay, goes trundling down the street. Okay, beneath his round umbrella. Then what happened? Come to the next stanza. That is what? Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mound of cooling brown and white. Now, children, what happened? Beneath his round umbrella. Now, beneath his round umbrella. Where is umbrella? Okay, beneath his round umbrella. Imagine this is umbrella. Beneath his round umbrella. So here poet is saying, what a joyful sight. The sight where the ice cream man, it's a really beautiful sight. Okay, joyful sight. Okay, joyful sight. Sight means scene. Where the ice cream man is standing there, that place is really joyful sight. And what happened then? Something happened. What happened? When ice cream man started filling up the cone. Okay, when ice cream man started filling up the cone, to see him fill the cones with mound of cooling brown and white. That means when he started filling up the cone, which becomes like mound. Mound means heap. Okay, so it becomes like heap. It's really joyful sight for us, for all of us. Okay, so in next video I am going to explain two stanzas. Clear, children?